In this video, I will be showing you a super simple and easy way where you can get paid $50 for talking to your friends every day. I know this would sound a bit ridiculous at first, like, why would Anion pay me to talk to my own friends? But trust me, you'd understand why this new website is willing to pay for just that by the end of this video. Be sure to stick around and watch the whole video because I will be explaining to you exactly how you can set it up for yourself. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a mobile device or desktop. You can start making money even while laying in bed. Don't worry, you will not have to complete any surveys, offers, or watch any ads for this. This is totally 100% free with no investment or credit cards needed. Make money, Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Ever heard about iRAZOO? Probably not. This is the name of that hidden website where you can begin to get paid $50 for talking to your friends every day. iRAZOO.com is a site where you can create money through downloading apps, watching videos, answering surveys, completing offers, and even just by playing with games. It is also a site that has been commended and partnered with by giant media companies out there, such as Yahoo, CNN, The Wall Street Journal, and many more. But here's the catch. Although these tasks look really simple and can earn you money through these tasks don't actually pay a lot. They might pay you a couple of dollars here and there, and that's totally fine if you're okay with that. But I want to teach you a trick where you can earn money aside from doing these tasks with a unique feature of the site. Yeah, I know you're going to be really eager to want to hear just how you can earn much more with this site. But before I show you the trick, I want to show you first how iRAZOO works. Well, let's say it's very important you understand the platform in order to get paid $50 on it for talking to your friends every day. Basically, you sign up, complete the tasks, and earn money through PayPal. If for some reason you do not have PayPal account, they can send you your profit through Amazon gift cards. That's basically the gist of it. If you want to know more in detail about how iRAZOO works, you can click on this video on the site right here for further explanations. Now to that little trick to create more money on here, aside from doing these tasks. Scroll down with me now to the bottom part of the homepage and locate this Earn Points section. Under that, click on the Refer Friends option. Upon opening this, you can see here that iRAZOO offers a delicious Refer a Friend program in which you can earn points. Now you don't even need to limit this opportunity to your friends while generating these points. I'll be showing you in this video different tools to attract real interested people to sign up for iRAZOO as well. As you can see here, it says refer your friends to iRAZOO, and they'll earn an extra 500 points just for accepting your invitation. That means that whenever someone clicks on your referral link, they will get an extra 500 points just for signing up. So through this, they will have an incentive to use your referral link to sign up to this website. Take note, you are not going to lose anything at all doing this method, not money, not iRAZOO points, and definitely not any friends. iRAZOO will simply reward them for signing up through your referral link, and once that friend you referred does some task on the website to earn up to 1,000 points, you will get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points absolutely free. Every referral you invite can earn this bonus. Once your friends registers on iRAZOO, they will be making money by downloading apps and watching videos, while you will basically get paid a commission by iRAZOO. For instance, if one friend referred by you makes up to $1,000 on this website, you have a chance to get up to $500 absolutely free from iRAZOO on behalf of that one single friend. Now I'm going to show you just how you can refer hundreds of people that would love to use iRAZOO as well. Scrolling a bit down, you'll be able to see that if you refer to only one person, you can make around 500 points for that person. If you refer 5 people, you will get paid 2,500 points, 10 people for 5,000 points, 20 people for 10,000 points, and so on. You can then cash out these points for real money. You can keep track of your referral earnings in the statistics section under your total referrals. Each time one of your referrals earns 1,000 points, they'll count as a payable referral. That means you can then begin to get paid $50 for talking to your friends every day. To get started with iRAZOO, you just need to click on Start Referring right here. You can either join with your Facebook account or manually enter your email address, first and last name, create a password, and hit Create Account. Once you sign up, this is how it's going to look. After signing up, grab your unique referral code and head over to PEXELS.com. This is an absolutely free website which we will be using today. This is a platform where you can find thousands of different stock images and stock videos, which you can use free of charge without any attribution to the author. Yeah, Olivia, but how exactly would it help me get paid $50 for talking to my friends every day? If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. To answer your concern, here's exactly what you need to do. Start by clicking on videos right here and then go to the search bar. Now I want you to search for different stock footages that's related to business, finance, and making money, or just even money. For example, I'm just gonna search money. That's going to give me all of these different videos, which I can use completely royalty-free and without any attribution to the author. Say I want to use this video right here. What I simply need to do is to click on the download button and have it instantly saved to my computer. That's really all you have to do for now. Download up to 3 different videos from PEXELS that are in regards to finance, business, luxury, success, and making money. Still on the journey to get paid $50 for talking to your friends every day, head over to a website called Imgur.com. This is a social media-like platform where people can share different videos. These videos must get a lot of views since, according to SimilarWeb, Imgur is being visited by over 250 million people every single month. Trust me, there's a lot of traffic on here. So what you will need to do is sign up to Imgur by clicking on the Sign Up button right here. You can create an absolutely free account by entering your username in this box, fill in your email address, create a password, retype it, and enter your phone number. You can also just register with your Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Google, or Yahoo account. Once you sign up for absolutely free, click on this New Post button right here to create a new post on Imgur.com. That's going to take you over to this page where you will need to select and choose a photo or video. Simply double-click on the video you previously got from PEXELS, and once it has been uploaded, this is how it's going to look like. Next, we're going to go ahead and give a title to this post. You can say something like, "Get paid to watch free videos," or "Get paid to download free apps." Just make sure it's an eye-catching title. In the description, you can just say sign up for iRAZOO for free and use my referral code for an extra 500 free points, which you can then redeem for real cash. Something like that would be great to give them your target audience an incentive to sign up through your referral link. Of course, also remember to paste your referral link on the description. Once you're done, I want you to add tags so you can attract even more targeted people on Imgur. Things like make money online, business, finance, or whatever is related to making money. This would help people searching for such posts to see this video and sign up using your referral link. Remember, if they do sign up using your referral link, they will instantly get paid 500 points extra, and in no time, you too would be making money on a complete autopilot. The more people that sign up through your referral link, the more money you will make. Once you share this on Imgur with over 250 million people, there will be a massive potential that quite a bit of people will see and view your video. I highly recommend you try out with different photos and different videos from PEXELS, just to see what attracts more people. Try out with different calls to action in the title and descriptions as well. Now, just post this by clicking on the community button right here and click Post Publicly, and that's it. How to get paid $12 for talking to your friends every day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.